everyone, welcome back to the full stack web development course. So, in the previous lecture, we have seen how to answer a particular question. So, in the previous lecture, we got an error like this. While I am entering a question and posting my answer, it is not being updated. As soon as I refresh only, the answer is being uploaded. So, how would I rectify this? So, I don't want to rectify this. There was a bug in the program. I have went through that. So in the program, I have left this. This is not a request. We are sending a response. So it has to be RES. But I have given as REQ, which means a request. So that's why an error has been thrown, and we have to upload. Sorry, we have to refresh the page in order to get the updated answer. So as soon as I rectified this, now we don't want to refresh the page in order to get the answer. We can just post our answer like this and give an enter. So now you can see I didn't refresh my page, but I got my answer with the question with my details as well. But if you have seen that I didn't refresh the page, but I have answered to my question. So this has been answered by me, also asked by me as well as answered by me. So now first we will see how to give the time in here. We have to give the specific time. This is nothing but a raw time given by our database. We have to calculate the time from this uh, almost I think 16 to 18 digits, I think so, but I'm not sure. We have to calculate time from this thing. So now we will go to the backend, we will close everything, and we will collapse this, and we will go to the client, and then we will open the src. In here we will go to the pages, questions, question details. So in here I do got these much of comments for your references, so that this is how the data from the backend is gonna look like. So that's why I've given a reference in here. You can just go through this objects, and then we will go to down where we are using the time. So it's like we are going to use moment to handle our time. So first we will go to that specific location. So where it is, I don't know. All code is not playing, I think so. Here's the form tag, here's the expenses. So it has to be here somewhere else. So this shows the users posted, and this is nothing but the time when the user has been asked a question. So now we are going to use moment to um, calculate the time. Make sure that the moment has been installed. If we go to the package JSON, see we do have the moment in here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to import that moment. So it's like, yeah, we're just going to import moment. So we'll go down here and import moment from moment, like so just have your dependencies being imported in the first thing, and then just give a space or leave a line empty, and then import all your files. So this will make your code much more cleaner as well as readable. So this is just nothing but a convention. It should not be strictly followed, but it may be followed to have some good things. So now we have imported moment. Now we are gonna use it down in here because this is the place where we will be using moment or some time. So here what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to have moment of I'm just going to pass this time, which is nothing but question dot as long dot from now. So this is the time which we are going to use. So it just calculate the time from that specific date to till up to date. So it means our today is minus this as from date. So that's what this moment dot from now does. So we have to do the same thing in display answer also. So in here first we will import moment from moment like so, and then I'm just gonna go here. Here we're just going to do the same thing. Moment of answered on dot from now. Just gonna give the specific time for us. So now, if you see, this question has been asked a day ago, and this question has been answered 6 minutes ago and 5 minutes ago. Not only for this particular question, if we go to the first question, this question has been asked 5 days ago and answered 19 hours and hour 25 minutes as well as 24 minutes. So this is highly good to see that we didn't do a much of code to display this time, but we have just calculated it through moment. So now what we want to concentrate on is nothing but this share as well as this delete. First we will be concentrating on this share, how to share this particular question. So we are not gonna so by clicking this share, what we're gonna do, we're just going to copy that specific URL, that's all, and then we can share that particular URL in any social medias, like whatever they want, like WhatsApp or Facebook or Instagram, whatever the user is convenient to do that. So in order to share, we're just going to copy that specific link. So that's all. So we will go to the coding part now. Sorry. In here we will go to the questions details. So where's the share button? You can see here's the share button. So in here I can just handle the event like on click, which may equals to, here I'm just going to say handle share. So that's it. So now we have written handle share, and now we will just copy this handle share. We have to create a handle share function. We will go down here, just going to handle let me just have a const in before const handle share, which may gonna equals to in here. I'm just going to have copy. So if you ask what is this copy, we have just also imported another we have already installed another dependency like React copy to clipboard. We're going to use this to copy a URL. So it's like we have to first import that copy function. So it's keep on auto completing a wrong function because I don't need a function particularly as of now. So in here, sorry, in here let me just import copy from copy dash to dash clipboard. So now we were able to copy the copy any copy a URL now. So what we are gonna do in here, we're just going to call the function copy, and then we're gonna have the URL plus. So first we will declare a variable for that specific URL, which in here we're just going to say const. So before doing this, we're gonna use this location use hook, which is gonna be from this react router down. So use location, which is gonna be a hook which we're gonna use to copy the URL. So const location is gonna be equals to use location. So first we will try to console log what is inside the location. Now we'll console log the location as of now to see what are the things are inside the location. Now let me just go to the inspect element. We'll go to the console. In the console we got an object which has an hash key as well as a path name as well as a search and state which equals to null. So this path name which is nothing but this URL, which is part of the URL except this domain name. We know what is the domain name is up to, so we will just have this. We will just have this statically, and we will get this URL from this path name. So let me just close this and let me go to the in here. Let me remove this console log. So we're gonna have another variable called const, which is gonna be equals to URL, which is going to be int equal to a string of http slash localhost colon 3000, which is on port number 3000, as well as, and then a single slash. Now what we're gonna do, we're just going to copy the URL plus the location dot path name. So now by clicking this share button, we will call this handle share, which in turn is gonna copy our URL along with the path name. So now we will be able to share our link. So as soon as we copy, we will just alert the user that a link has been copied. So I'm just going to say copy URL. In here I'm just going to have the same URL plus location dot path name. So if we go down here, let me just hit share. So it shows like the localhost 3000 says copied URL. So this is our entire URL. Now we will just say okay. So as soon as I click share, the URL has been copied. Now I can go to another tab, I can paste. So now you can see that the URL has been here, but here is an extra slash, so we will remove that from in the front end. So let me just remove this. And we will go here and close this and click share. So now it shows the URL has been copied, and we will give OK, and in here we'll just paste the entire thing and we will search for that. So this is how we can share a particular questions link. So this is all about share. This is the same piece of code we're gonna also use in the answer also. So to answer the same thing, we will pass this handle share function to the display answers as handle share, which is going to be equals to handle share. So now what we can do, we can open this display answers, and in here I can on click event, which is going to be now equals to handle share, and this handle share has been sent here as a prop. So now we can, is not defined, let me just refresh. So now in here, if I just click this also, the link has been copied, we'll give OK. As soon as we deploy this particular application, we will change this domain name to that specific URL. Don't worry as of now. So we will give OK, and that's it. We are completed this share. So in the next video, we will cover how to delete a particular question as well as answer. So thank you.